everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. Today's video, for all you lantern lovers, I have a winner by far. It's an old-fashioned lantern. Is this not the cutest look? And you won't believe the items I put together to make it. So with that being said, let me show you everything that I used to put this beautiful old-fashioned Dollar Tree lantern together. So like I mentioned, this item only has a few pieces that I will put together to make this cute little lantern. Let me show you. So let me just explain. Now the Dollar Tree has seasonal items, right? So one of the items I used were seasonal. So I actually ordered off of Temu. So for all you Temu haters, I'm sorry, but you can go ahead and go and get this from Walmart, I think, or anything where they sell these little hummingbird feeders. Yes, I use these. So you can get these at the Dollar Tree during summer. So if you want to stack up in the summertime to make these for next season, you can. But I bought these from Temu for only $5. So let me show you. I bought a hummingbird feeder. I bought this cute little ribbon that you can buy at the Dollar Tree. You can see here, and you can buy anything, and this piece is optional. You're going to want your Dollar Tree little vase. These here are there currently, and you can go ahead and buy these here. Now this is optional. Well, not optional, you definitely need this, but you can swap it out for different ones. So this is a candle holder, but they have clear candle holders, they have black ones, white ones, they have different kinds that you might like better than others. I would have liked the glass ones probably better. It probably has a more old-fashioned feel to it, but they didn't have those, so I opted for these. You'll also need your E6000, your hot glue gun, and spray paint, color of your choice. The first thing you'll want to do is take apart your hummingbird feeder. You don't need the little hook, so you can take that hook and you can put it away or you can throw it away. We don't need it for this project. And the other thing is you're just going to take off the little container and you can save that as well, maybe for another project. Now this does come apart, so you're going to want to glue it, but take off the cute little yellow flowers. And again, you don't need it for this project, so you'll have a few things maybe you can use for another project. Now I forgot to mention you'll need a little knob. You can use a little nail, or I went to my local hardware store and they gave me these cute little knob things. Aren't they adorable? Absolutely perfect for what I was trying to achieve here. But you can use a nail or any other thing that you think would slide right into that hole. So as you see here, I'm just placing the bottom of the hummingbird feeder and I'm putting them all together here, and I'm going to glue them. And here's the little part that's optional. You can use a little piece of yarn here. I like this because it just kind of decorated it. It gave it a little charm, I think, but you don't have to use this. So as you see here, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this piece so this doesn't come apart. You can use your E6000 or you can use your hot glue gun, whichever one you feel is better for your use. Once you get your little knob or your nail, you're going to use the E6000. Definitely use the E6000 because this is going to give it a much longer and permanent hold. Once that's in, you're going to go ahead, use your E6000 on this. Definitely use the E6000 and not your hot glue gun. The reason why I say that is because you're going to want to center it, as I'm trying to center it here, and you're going to see that I'm kind of moving it around so I can get it right in the center, as I have it here. Now, the next step is to put it on your candle holder. So whichever candle holder you have chosen, go ahead and use your E6000. Definitely use the E6000 and not your hot glue gun because you want to move it around and make sure that it's centered. If you use your hot glue gun, you're going to get an instant hold, and if you put it on wrong, you're not going to be able to center it. So be sure to use the E6000 so you can slide it around and make it perfect as so. When that's all dried, go ahead and maybe take it outside if you'd like and spray paint it. So because it's red, it definitely shows through. So I did 3 coats on this, but be sure to fully, you know, paint all around, and don't forget the little top there because the glass will show that little piece there. So you definitely want to make sure that's covered. And because I'm using the little ribbon, I'm going to want to spray paint this as well. Now you could put this on before or after. I just did it this way. I did one with it on and it worked well too. Now I'm going to use the hot glue gun to put the ribbon on, and I'm going to be sure that I put it right near the knob. This way I'm not really going to see it because usually the knob is not the first thing that you put in front of yourself. You're going to usually put the knob on the side. So go ahead and put the fold right there, and I'm using the E6000 a little bit along the way because I want the edge of the ribbon a little above the plastic piece here. It just kind of gives it a nice finished look, and I wanted to pull it nice and even so the E6000 kind of lets it slip and pull a little bit, and it will be just perfect and it will stay as a permanent hold. You want to be sure that you take off the little sticker on the bottom, and this is where I like to use the hot glue gun. And there you have it, your old-fashioned Dollar Tree lantern. I absolutely love these. And that knob, look at that knob. I got that at my local hardware store for only $1.75. They absolutely made this whole little lantern like come to life. And I put another one on the other side of my television. The lighting here is not great, but I absolutely love it, and you can see it a little bit better as I get a little closer, so you can kind of see the details of this little lantern. And there's that little knob that I absolutely adore. And of course, my favorite, my little tea lights that I absolutely love. If you're interested in getting these little tea lights, I will put a link down below so you can check that out. Well, it's been a pleasure and absolutely a thrill to make these cute little lanterns. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. And of course, here's another video that I think that you'll enjoy, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.